Most Pennsylvanians probably can't tell you what Commonwealth Court actually does, but whether or not you know it, it's a court that affects your daily lives more directly than others.
And next Tuesday, Pennsylvanians will select the next person to sit on that court.
It's a very special court. There's no other court in the country like it.
PA's Commonwealth Court is unique to PA. Here's cases involving state and local governments. Recently decided public school funding is unconstitutionally inequitable, and that the state's entry into a greenhouse gas initiative was also unconstitutional. They are huge cases.
Dennis, I have one-of-a-kind experience for our one-of-a-kind Commonwealth Court.
Republican Megan Martin from Cumberland County clerked for a Lancaster County judge, was an attorney in the Tom Ridge and Tom Corbett administrations, a civilian lawyer for the Navy, and is the only woman to serve as secretary parliamentarian in the PA Senate. Experiences in all three branches of government that she calls a plus.
I know who writes our laws. It's not the judges. And I think knowing the legislative process most certainly will give me incredible insight that I can bring to the Commonwealth Court. There are very few people who understand what I understand about our state government.
I would like to be on the court so that I can stand up for people's civil rights.
Philadelphia Democrat Matt Wolf was a private practice civil rights attorney, served 2 tours with the Army in Iraq and Afghanistan, earning a Bronze Star, and spent the last 6 years as a judge in Philly. He's on the ballot for that seat and Commonwealth Court Tuesday, and says if the race is about qualifications, he wins.
After 25 years of litigation experience, I'm a trial attorney, I'm a judge, and my opponent is neither a trial attorney nor does she have judicial experience.
Though unlikely anytime soon, if an abortion case were brought, Commonwealth Court is likely the first stop. Both say they'd follow the law, but added this.
And I think that reproductive freedom is one of the civil rights that's important under the United States Constitution and the Pennsylvania Constitution.
I'm going to apply the law as our General Assembly wrote it. I'm not going to legislate from the bench. I know my swim lane. I'm going to stay in my swim lane.
Both have the same recommended rating by the PA Bar. Closing arguments?
Judges have tremendous influence over whether the government can take advantage of people, both in terms of criminal law, how far are the police allowed to go, and in terms of the state of Pennsylvania creeping into people's homes and taking away rights. My job as a judge on the Commonwealth Court is to keep the government in check.
I'm going to be a judge who's not afraid to hold our government accountable, because just as you and I and all the good people of this great Commonwealth have to follow the law, so too does our government.
And again, a reminder that Election Day is Tuesday. Your county election office needs to have your completed ballot by Tuesday at 8 p.m. for it to count. And to make sure you are informed at the polls, we'll be breaking down the statewide races on This Week in Pennsylvania. We are doing that this Sunday at 10 right here